Hello students, I am Ramesh. Today we are going to discussing a very important topic, hybridization. Hybridization means the intermixing of atomic orbitals to form a identical properties of hybrid orbitals. This phenomenon is called hybridization. The number of atomic orbitals which are participated in the hybridization is equal to the number of hybrid orbitals formed. So we know that atomic orbitals must be in the same shell or same orbit. So that kind of orbitals only intermixing together form a hybrid orbitals. These hybrid orbitals are having same energy and same shape. First one, sp hybridization. Sp hybridization means one s orbital and one p orbital intermixing together form a same set of hybrid orbitals are formed. So how many atomic orbitals are participated? 1 plus 1, 2. So that is 2 sp hybrid orbitals will be formed. So diagrammatically, s orbital as spherical shape and p orbital as dumbbell shape. So and these are having almost same energy, but exactly they are not having a same energy. Slightly difference is there. So that kind of atomic orbitals are intermixing together form a same energy of and same shape is nothing but a similar shape of hybrid orbitals are formed. So here sp. How many hybrid orbitals are formed here? 2 hybrid orbitals. 2 sp hybrid orbitals will be formed. So these 2 sp hybrid orbitals are connected together. Connected together in which direction that repulsions are minimum. సో ఏ డైరెక్షన్లో అయితే రిపల్షన్స్ అనేవి మినిమం ఉంటాయో ఆ డైరెక్షన్లో ఈ హైబ్రిడ్ ఆర్బిటాల్స్ అనేవి ఒకదానికొకటి కనెక్ట్ అయ్యి మీన్స్ జాయిన్ అయ్యి ఒక స్పెసిఫిక్ జామెట్రీని ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ అ linear shape of a geometry will be formed. So here sp. So what is the shape of this sp hybridization? So that is shape is linear shape and its bond angle is 180 degrees. So now we will see what is the percentage character of atomic orbital in this hybridization. So that is here in each sp hybrid orbital, so one s orbital and one p orbital is there. So that is percentage s character. Percentage s character. So how can we find out this one? Simple. So percentage means 100. So 100 by how many atomic orbitals are given in the sp? 2 atomic orbitals. One s orbital and one p orbital. So totally 2. So 100 by 2 means what? So that is 50. So one s orbital, one p orbital. So s character 50% and p character also 50%. P character also 50%. Clear? So this is about sp hybridization. So now we will see one example. So what is that example? Very important. That is beryllium chloride. So we can also consider that is C2H2. It is a hydrocarbon compound, acetylene or ethane. And what we release, what we exhale, what type of gas? That is a carbon dioxide gas. okay, etc. So these are the some examples of sp hybridization. So now we will see first one, BeCl2, beryllium chloride. In this, what is the central atom? What is the central atom? Central atom is a beryllium. So what is the bonded atom? What is the bonded atom? That is a chlorine. So we have to find out the hybridization for central atom. Central atom. So what is the central atom here? Beryllium is a central atom and its atomic number is 4. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2. And we know that in the second shell, along with s orbital and p orbital also present. So that is, but there is no electrons in the ground state of the electronic configuration. So we should consider this valence electronic configuration or outermost electronic configuration. So here in ground state, GS means ground state. In ground state, s orbital is filled with 2 electrons and here p contains 0 electrons. Understand? So in excited state, in first excited state, so what will happen? In 2 electrons in the s orbital, 1 electron will be jumped into the first p orbital, is nothing but px orbital of beryllium. So then here s orbital contains 1 electron and p contains 1 electron. So here one s orbital, that is 2s orbital, and 2 px orbital. These two are intermixed together, form a 2 sp hybrid orbitals. So we know that its structure is what? This is the structure. So now we will consider the bonded atom. So what is the bonded atom? Chlorine is the bonded atom. Its atomic number is 17. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So consider outermost electronic configuration. So that is 3s2, 3p5. So s orbital filled with 2 electrons and here p contains 5 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here px, py and pz. So here this pz orbital contains unpaired electron. This pz orbital overlapping with each sp hybrid orbital of beryllium to form a 2 covalent bonds. Means 2 sigma bonds will be formed. So we know that here p orbital as a dumbbell shape. So px, py, pz, 3 orientations are there. 3 orientations. In that z orientation of p orbital contains unpaired electron. This pz orbital overlaps with each sp hybrid orbital of beryllium. Understand? So each beryllium sp hybrid orbital contains 1 unpaired electron. So here now we will see each sp hybrid orbital of beryllium contains 1 unpaired electron. 1 unpaired electron like this. Okay. This is p orbital. So that electrons must be in opposite spin. Opposite spin. Okay, this is what this is chlorine. And what type of orbital it is? PZ orbital. PZ orbital. So here sigma bond is found because axial overlapping is occurred between the sp hybrid orbital of beryllium and PZ orbital of the chlorine atom. Axial overlapping or end to end or head on overlapping. So sigma bond is formed between sp of beryllium and pz of chlorine. So here also same. So sp pz. Okay, so what is the shape of this one? Here beryllium, this beryllium is bonded to chlorine through single covalent bond. Through single covalent bond. So what is the bond angle here? What is the bond angle? 180 degrees. Its shape is what? What is the shape of this one? Linear shape. Linear shape. So like that, similarly C2H2. C2H2 means it is ethine or acetylene. Its structure is like this. C triple bond or C. Bond H. One sigma bond and two pi bonds are formed. Sigma bond is formed by axial overlapping. Pi bond will be formed by lateral overlapping like this, or sidewise overlapping, or collateral overlapping. Okay, so like that, carbon dioxide, CO2 gas. So here, the CO2 gas, between carbon is a central atom. It is bonded to two oxygen atoms through double covalent bond separately. So in this one sigma bond, one pi bond, one sigma bond, one pi bond. So totally two sigma bonds, two pi bonds in the carbon dioxide. So this is about sp hybridization. So how to find out the sp hybridization in the given molecule, we will discuss in our next class.